baby boy. I'm my little baby boy. I'm my little baby boy. You're my boy, my boy. My baby boy. You're my little baby boy. My little baby boy. Let's go play MM2. Oh yeah, this is for my pose since I haven't posed in a video and I really want to post it. I feel like a YouTuber, of course. I want to be a YouTuber, but I think when did they play real MM2 on phone? And now yeah, baby boy. You can see this I do. Oh, this idea is the same map, but if this is the thing, we still so the Santa hat is now and that I am sorry because I also think we go here. Need to give gifts to claim this thing. Only I hate um I don't know. I do that much so fast. That's why I got that innocent and something. Okay, I'm gonna try to do for today. Cause that's a new okay, so I am not good at like baking. Okay, I'm not like gadget anymore. Oh, yes, yes, oh, no, that's good fun. Oh, oh, the feels like oh my, oh my, bacon, bacon. Oh my, I'm so loud. Look at me, I'm loud. Isn't it nice? Mm, oh my, it was her. Oh, why is that doing that? Why is doing bro? Huh? What? Wait, I did not know that. So there was kinda prepare an activity because it was African and too because I wanted sometimes that I have like bro can take a joke. Uh-huh. We just can take a joke. Okay, this is my favorite time ring around the whole street like cheering and then here kind of joke. But I'm not I haven't mastered I'm not I have to master soda. Soda. I saw that. So bacon boys member, I'm not gonna get close. I want I want my life that. Rosy bacon, I told you guys it's so Juke! Ankles! Bro, shoot it! Why is bro aiming at the floor? Can somebody please? Oh man. It's so stupid. Even though I'm not a master of shooting, boy. Okay, go kill, go kill the mega. How did that? How? Next server. Valid contact. Okay. Ba't ka tinago? Okay, another server since I don't kinda want to wait a lot. Okay, server. Hello, no. I'm your black and white. Okay, there we go. Hmm. Oh, I'm taking the cat. No, how this? I want to. I kinda want a bag, but I kinda want to. Look, look. This is my first time seeing them. Oh, ah, my goodness. Still has so much drama follow this guy who plays with not that we're not so that he's not gonna is me. Oh, there's a vent down there. No. I just feel plenty of five. I do not wanna fight. I don't want that. Oh my. Next server, I don't like this. Okay, next server guys. It's different. Oh wait, bye bye.